Get ready for a fun and festive craft. Today we're making Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer ornaments using Dollar Tree tumbling tower blocks. These cute and easy ornaments are perfect for decorating your tree or gifting to friends and family. Supplies: Dollar Tree tumbling tower blocks, 6 per ornament, hot glue gun and glue sticks, brown acrylic paint and paintbrush, 2 pipe cleaners for antlers, fabric strip for scarf, googly eyes, 2 per ornament, string or ribbon for hanging, scissors. Glue 3 blocks together with hot glue. Repeat to make a second set of 3 blocks. Glue the 2 sets of 3 blocks together lengthwise to form Rudolph's body. Paint the entire block structure brown and let it dry. Bend 2 pipe cleaners to resemble antlers and glue them to the top of Rudolph's head. Cut a strip of fabric, fringe each end, and glue it around the neck as a scarf. Glue 2 googly eyes onto the face. And don't forget to glue on a red pom-pom to make his iconic nose. Attach a string or ribbon to the top so you can hang your ornament. And that's it. Your Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer ornament is ready to hang. This easy craft is a charming holiday decoration and makes a thoughtful handmade gift. Thank you for watching this video. I'm Mary Ellen, and around here we celebrate every season and holiday with creativity, laughter, and a little bit of mess. From plant-based recipes and DIY crafts to family adventures and everyday fun, I'm learning as I grow. And if that sounds like fun to you, please make sure to subscribe and follow so you don't miss my next video. If you enjoyed this video, please like and hype it. Share it with friends you know will like it too. If you want something else to do now, check out all my other videos. I have over 1,000 to choose from. Leave me a heart in the comments if you watched this video to the end. Bye and have a great day.